Hi everyone, Danielle here with Imperfect Dust, and I wanted to give you a quick overview of what to expect inside the scripture lettering workshop. So this one is going to be held October 9th and 10th, and I cannot wait for you to hop in the room and see what you can create even as an absolute beginner. Because I know some of you have asked and said, I am so new to this. How do you think you can let me learn to letter like this in 2 days? And I'm telling you, you will be so surprised. So something I haven't shared is the method that we'll be using, which I'm gonna surprise you and save that. If you are new here, then you may not have seen me ever do this on the page. So I want to share with you a little bit about the process though, so you can kind of know what to expect. And I'm not going to have you sitting down looking at a blank canvas, just completely, what do I do? You're gonna sit, it's gonna be like you're sitting next to me shoulder to shoulder in the class during the live. But I also give you a template. So the template, I'm gonna show you how to transfer it onto your board. And by the way, this is hey Marisa. Marisa knows exactly what to do. She's gonna be in the room with us. She has done these workshops before, but this is a canvas panel. So that frame is just one that after you get done, you can add it to any frame you have at your house, because this is an 8x10 canvas panel. And the way that this works is you are gonna have the template. I'm gonna show you how to transfer it. Your supply list will give you another sheet that's gonna help us transfer. I'm gonna walk you through transferring it, and then that's going to give you the confidence to come in with your paint pen. And then I'm gonna teach you how to shade. You see all that shading? I've got you a pencil in the supply list for that. But another thing, hey Judy, I'm so happy that you're here, and I hope that you signed up. I think you did. And so you're gonna get the paint pen and your brush, everything. You're gonna get all that you need in your supply list. If you are brand new to the workshop, you don't know what I'm talking about, comment the word workshop. And the workshop itself is $10 for a 2-day live event where we're gonna walk through exactly how to do this. And you have the option to get your own supplies with the supply list that I give you, or you can, after you check out, so you'll pay the $10, and then there will be another page that says, would you like to add your supplies, so that you don't have to go to the store and source anything. So in that, let me show you what you would get. The background, the canvas panel, it's an 8x10 canvas panel that you will use during the workshop. You'll get your template that's already printed. If you don't get supplies, I'm gonna give you a digital version of this that you can print yourself. But if you grab that bonus pack, you'll have the printed version plus a sheet of paper it's a special sheet of paper I'm gonna talk to you about in the class that's gonna help us transfer on to the canvas. So you'll get that, hey Jackie, you'll get that transfer paper as well. And then you'll get a sponge brush so that you can paint on your background color. You'll get a white Posca paint pen that are my absolute favorite, y'all. It's worth the whole class just to learn about this paint pen. For years, I used another brand. I won't even mention them. This is my favorite brand now, Posca. And it's very hard to find these in a single pack. So I'm gonna just send you one versus you having to invest in a big pack of paint pens and just use the white one. So that's good. And then you'll also get this General's charcoal pencil, which is gonna do that shading method at the end that just gives it so much character and texture. Now this part is optional, but you'll have your pencil just in case you wanna use it. It kind of gives it a chalky look and a little shadow. And so it's really a little nice effect. But I wanted you to know exactly what you're getting. So inside, I'll teach you how to create this. So you'll learn exactly the method to create this exact sign. And you'll get these supplies if you order the bonus pack. So Marisa said, I think I purchased the kit. Yes, I mailed your kit yesterday. I sent out a big batch yesterday. And let me show you, when you get them in the mail, this is what they look like. Some of the ladies that I'm gonna ship out for today are Cheryl, June, Kelly, and Linda. And I know that some of you may want to get your bonus packs on the way. So if you comment the word workshop, I'll send you a link to all the details of how to sign up. And I went with a fall theme this time. Give thanks in all things, so that you can set it out for your fall decor as well. So we'll have it out in time for that. And then I also like to go over the scripture during our time together and just It's kind of like a little fun devotional plus instruction time. So another thing to note is that once you join the workshop, I will give you a link to a private Facebook group where all the fun is going to be happening. And we will even have giveaways on the live. If you're there live, you can win some fun prizes. So I cannot wait to see you. My hope is to take the intimidation of lettering away for you. And I hope that you can come away with a project that you're proud of to display in your home, and you never know what kind of, fun thing this could spark for you. What if you were empowered to create, to either sell what you make or give gifts that are handmade this year? And so I think that this workshop is such a perfect timing situation where you can learn this skill. Because listen, it took me, I've been lettering now for almost 11 years, or yeah, right at 11, because I started in 2014. And I didn't know about templates. Now I create the templates for you, and the hard work has been done for you. So I'm going to show you how this will empower you to not only create products or create signs for your own home, but how you can create products and possibly profit from what you learn in the class. So I don't know if that interests everybody, but I'm definitely going to be talking about that too, because lettering has just played such a big part in changing our family's life, and I would love to share that portion of it with you too. So hop in the workshop. It's $10, and then you'll be offered that bonus pack on the next page. And if you don't want to go out and source your own products and like try to find the exact paint pen and everything, grab that. Now, I have had the question, can we paint the background a different color? Absolutely, because paint, I will say, is not included in your bonus pack. I'm not shipping you any paint. A lot of you probably already have paint at your house, but the biggest thing to note is that you want it to be dark enough to show that white paint pen. So, and we're using a white transfer paper. So you're gonna want that color to just be a darker color that will show white. And that is the only stipulation. So, yay, I see y'all commenting. Grab those bonus packs. I will be shipping them out daily because my biggest thing is just getting them to you in time so that you have them before the workshop begins, because it's live and I want you to have your things. So I do have a cutoff on that. I believe I know it's the Sunday before the workshop. So I don't have a calendar in front of me, but if you're on this live right now, grab those workshop bonus packs and I will get them out the door to you. And I'm looking at the time. I got to go hit the post office before I pick up the kids from school, but I look forward to seeing your name come through as a workshop taker. All right. I will see y'all later.